Good morning, Fred. Today we will solve a numerical on springs in series and springs in parallel. This is a statement. A spring mass system has spring stiffness K, unit Newton meter, and a mass M in kg. It has the natural frequency of vibration of 12 Hz. If an extra 2 kg mass is coupled to M, that means mass M, the natural frequency of system reduces by 2 Hz. Determine the spring stiffness K and mass M. Now, friends, this numerical is asked in SPPU examination for 6 marks for December 2011, December 2012 and May 2016. Now, this is the given data. The given data in this equation is now natural frequency is given 12 Hz and the reduced natural frequency will be 10 Hz if we coupled 2 kg mass. So, we will see the first case that initial natural frequency of the system. The initial natural frequency of the system is given by the formula Fn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k upon m. This is our natural frequency formula that we have learned in last lecture. So, after putting this here, we will put the first value of natural frequency as 12 is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under square root of k upon m. Further, if you solve this, put this value, so this 2 pi, now this 2 pi is here at denominator. Once it crosses this sign, it becomes 12 into 2 pi is equal to under root k upon m. Further, if you are squaring on both the sides, if you are going to make squaring on both the sides, that time this term will be 12 into 2 pi bracket square. So, we will write this term as it is 12 into 2 pi bracket square is equal to under root k upon m. Sorry, this under root k upon m is not there. So, only k upon m. So, here the square root of 12 into 2 pi bracket square of 12 into 2 pi is 5684.89 and this k upon m as it is. Once you solve this, here value of k, that means stiffness is value we have 5684.89 m. This is equation number 1. Now, further, now we have a natural frequency. Second, the case of natural frequency of system with extra mass. Now, it is provided or given in the numerical that when extra mass of 2 kg is coupled with mass m, the natural frequency is reduced by 2 Hz. That means we have natural frequency of 12 Hz and that time mass is m. So, condition is when m is the mass, the natural frequency will be 12 Hz, and when addition of 2 mass, that means m plus 2, that time natural frequency is 10 Hz. So, we have initial natural frequency of 12 Hz and as it is reduces by 2 Hz due to coupling of 2 kg mass in the initial mass. So, we have new natural frequency is 10 Hz. So, now again we have the formula natural frequency Fn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k upon m. So, put this value. Now, new natural frequency will be 10, which is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k, and new value of m will be m plus 2 because addition or couple of 2 kg mass to initial mass m reduces natural frequency to 2 Hz. That means why it becomes 10. So, we have new value of frequency 10 and new value of m as m plus 2. So, after that we have this equation. So, here 2 pi is at denominator. Once you crosses here, so it becomes 2 pi into 10, which is equal to under root k upon m plus 2. Now, squaring on both the sides. So, we have 2 pi into 10 bracket square is equal to k divided by m plus 2. So, here if you make squaring here, solve this bracket, we will have the answer 3947.84. After solving this bracket, we have answer. After solving this 2 pi into 10 bracket square, we have 3947.84 is equal to k upon m plus 2. Now, here again, now we have equation of k. So, this term is at denominator. So, our new equation will be now 3947.84 multiplied by this term multiplied here m into m plus 2 is equal to k. Further, if you solve this equation, we have k is equal to 3947.84 into m by solving this bracket plus 3947.84 into 2. This answer will be 7895.68. This is our equation number 2. Now, we have equation number 1 as when we have equation number 1 in last discussed previously, k is equal to 5684.89 m. This is equation number 1. Now, we put equation number 1. We put this equation number 1 in equation number 2. So, equation number 2 becomes K, the value of K will be 568.89 m that we have put here is equal to 3947.84 m, this as it is, plus 7895.6 as it is. So after solving this, we will get value of mass m is equal to 4.54 kg. Now I label this equation as equation number 3. Now we put this equation number 3 in equation number 1. So by putting equation number 3 in equation number 1, so we have K is equal to 5684.89, value of m should be 4.54 kg. So after solving this, we have the answer K is equal to 25840.40 Newton meter. So dear friend, this is first numerical. Now we will solve second numerical. The second numerical, the problem statement is here in front of you. Now, second numerical. Find the natural frequency of vibration of the system as shown in figure. Use following data. So take K1 is equal to 1000 Newton per meter, K2 is equal to 1000 Newton per meter, K3 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter, and M is equal to 10 kg. That means spring stiffness K1, K2, K3 values are given and mass M value is also provided here. So now this is the given diagram. Now this is our first given diagram. In this first given diagram, two springs having stiffness K1 and K2, one end of them is attached to the fixed surface and another end of these springs having stiffness K1 and K2 is attached to the mass M. Further, this mass M is attached to the spring and one end of this spring 3 having stiffness K3 is attached to mass M and another end of the spring is attached to the fixed surface. So this is our given diagram. So in this diagram, dear friend, we have first observation that here K1, spring K1 and springs K2, these springs are in parallel. So we have a formula: when springs are in parallel, their equivalent can be calculated. Now here it is observed that springs K1 and springs K2 are in parallel. So their equivalent spring stiffness is calculated as by formula KE1 is equal to K1 plus K2. So equivalent spring stiffness is calculated as KE1 is equal to K1. Value of K1 is given here 1000 Newton meter. We have provided here value of K1 is given 1000 Newton meter, that I have put here 1000 Newton meter, plus value of K2 is given 1000 Newton. Value of K2 is given 1000 Newton per meter. So we put their value here 1000 Newton per meter. So KE1 is equal to 2000 Newton per meter. Now we convert this first diagram into new equivalent diagram. That means we replace K1, K2 with equivalent spring stiffness K1, KE1. So here this K1 and K2 springs now shown here with equivalent spring KE1 and now K3 spring, this K3 spring as it is. This K3 spring as it is. Now here this is also case of springs in parallel, because what is happened in case of springs in parallel? One end is attached to the fixed surface and another end is attached to the mass. So again this is observed here. Now here in this diagram it is observed that KE1 and K3, these springs are in parallel. So here again parallel. It is not in series, here mass M is in between them. So this case is treated as springs in parallel. So here KE1 and K3 are springs in parallel. So equivalent spring thickness for this system is to be calculated as KE2 is equal to KE1 plus K3. So we have initially calculated KE1 as a 2000 Newton per meter. So put this value here, and K3 is already given in our data. K3 is given in our data, that is 2000 Newton meter. So we have this KE2 is equal to 4000 Newton meter. Now I am going to replace this system. The second diagram is into total equivalent system. So here whole system KE1 and K3 are in parallel. Now they are represented with KE2 with a single spring KE2. So here its total system is now represented in a single spring and mass system as shown in this figure. KE2 is the equivalent spring stiffness for KE1 and K3 and this mass M, and this is a converted system. Now as we know the values of KE1 and KE2, so we can calculate it, the natural frequency of the given mass system. So here we have a formula Fn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k upon m. So here Fn is equal to 1 upon 2 pi under root k. Here we put value of k equivalent. That means we take this final value KE2. That means this final value KE2. That is KE2 means this represented in this diagram. That is final equivalence system. So 4000 value we will take here. 4000 divided by M as a 10 kg given. So after solving this in calculator, we will get natural frequency as 3.18 hertz. So this is the solution. Dear friends, in this while we have two values, Ke1 and Ke2. So always put the value of K here as a Ke2 because final system is represented in Ke2 by making equivalence of all the total. Here how many springs total? 1, 2, 3 springs are there. So first we have calculated K1 for, that is K1 plus K2 is equal to K1. That means is equivalent spring stiffness for K1 and K2 is calculated K1. Now by considering K1 here, K1 and K3 again springs in parallel. By considering their effect, we will get K2. Hence, in the formula of while here, we will put value of K2 as K. So we will get the final answer this much. Now third numerical. This is for you, dear students. You can think on it. In next series lecture, I will also provide the solution for this. So this is for your homework. Now we have this problem number 3. For the system shown in figure, if K1, that means spring stiffness for spring 1 is 2400 Newton per meter, K2 is equal to 1600 Newton per meter, K3 is equal to 3600 Newton per meter, and K4 is equal to K5 is equal to 500 Newton per meter. Hence, for the given system shown in figure, find the mass M such that the system will have a natural frequency of 10 Hertz. So that means natural frequency is given here 10 Hertz. We have to find the mass M. So this is the figure. So here springs K1, K2 and K3, these springs are shown in series. Then they are attached with mass M. Further K4 and K5, these springs are in parallel, attached to fixed surfaces. So this is the given diagram. Dear friends, try to solve this problem. Okay. Thank you.